What's up, everyone? And let's be real. Saving money can feel like a chore. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be a constant battle? We all deserve to enjoy life without breaking the bank, and that's what we're diving into today. We're about to unlock some seriously simple money hacks that can make a real difference in your savings, without forcing you to give up the things you love. Seriously, these are the kind of tips that make you wonder why you didn't start doing them ages ago. So if you're ready to supercharge your savings game and make your money work harder for you, buckle up because we're about to break it all down. All right, let's kick things off with one of the most powerful tools in the saving game: automation. Think of it like this. You set it and forget it, just like that gym membership you totally use. Okay, maybe not the best example, but you get the point. Seriously though, automating your savings is like putting your finances on autopilot. Here's how it works. Every time you get paid, a specific amount automatically goes straight into your savings account. No more debating with yourself about transferring money later. It just happens. And the best part? You get to choose how much to set aside. Whether it's $50 a paycheck or $500, every little bit adds up over time. It's all about building that consistency, and automation is your secret weapon. Remember back in the day when we used to set the VCR to record our favorite shows? This is kind of like that, but instead of recording a show, you're recording your financial success. Trust me, future you will thank you for setting up this simple but mighty system. Let's be real, we've all been there, scrolling through our credit card statements wondering, what in the world is this charge? And more often than not, it's a subscription we completely forgot about. You know, that streaming service we signed up for during that free trial month and never actually used? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, those forgotten subscriptions can seriously eat into your savings without you even realizing it. Think about it, $10 here, $15 there, it all adds up. So, it's time to channel our inner Marie Kondo and declutter those subscriptions. Grab your phone or laptop, open up your bank statements, and take a good hard look at where your money's going. Are you really using that gym membership? Are you still rocking out to that music streaming service? If the answer is no, hit that cancel button without mercy. Trust me, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about being mindful of where your money's going. And who knows, you might even discover some hidden cash flow that you can redirect towards something you truly value. All right, let's talk about food, because who doesn't love a good meal? But here's the thing, eating out all the time can drain your bank account faster than you can say extra guac. I'm all for treating yourself occasionally, but constantly ordering takeout or hitting up restaurants can make a serious dent in your savings goals. Enter the magical world of meal prepping. Trust me, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Dedicate a couple of hours each week to plan out your meals and do some batch cooking. Not only will you save money on expensive takeout, but you'll also reduce food waste because let's be real, we've all tossed our fair share of wilted lettuce. Plus, imagine this, it's the end of a long day, you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is cook. But guess what? You already have a delicious homemade meal prepped and ready to go in your fridge. No need to stress about cooking or spend money on takeout. It's a win-win. Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't love free money? And that's exactly what cashback apps and rewards programs are all about. These little digital gems can actually put money back in your pocket for purchases you're already making. Think about it. You're going to buy groceries anyway, right? So why not earn some cash back while you're at it? There are tons of apps out there that partner with popular retailers and restaurants, so you can rack up rewards on everyday purchases. Some apps even offer bonus cash back on certain items or categories, so you can maximize your savings. It's literally free money, people. And who are we to say no to free money? So before you hit up the grocery store or order takeout, take a minute to check if there's a cashback offer available. You might be surprised at how quickly those rewards add up. All right, let's talk about the dangers of shopping while hungry. We've all been there. You walk into the grocery store with the best intentions, but that bag of chips starts calling your name and suddenly your cart is full of impulse buys. And let's be real, those impulse buys rarely align with our savings goals. That's where the power of the shopping list comes in. Before you even set foot in a store, take a few minutes to plan out your meals for the week and write down everything you need. This way, you'll stay focused on buying only the essentials and avoid those tempting impulse purchases. Think of your shopping list as your financial bodyguard, protecting your wallet from those sneaky marketing tactics that try to lure you in. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way when it comes to saving money at the store. So there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful money hacks that can make a real difference in your savings journey. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about incorporating small, sustainable habits that add up over time. Which one of these hacks are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're ready to take your savings game to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future money-saving tips. Let's crush those financial goals together.